everyone, Jessica Whitaker here. I am a New York City-based photographer, and today I'm so excited to bring you behind the scenes on an in-home couple photo shoot. It's a great way to be able to capture a couple in their natural home environment where they feel most like themselves, so they're probably going to be the most comfortable in front of the camera in their own home. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites to online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to run your business and to build a beautiful online presence. I've used Squarespace personally for the past 2 years on my website and my nonprofit site, and I love how user-friendly this whole platform is. It's truly all-in-one, so I can have not only my website and my templates, they have gorgeous designer templates, you guys, but I can also have an online store where I sell presets or merchandise on the nonprofit website. If you're looking to build a professional website that you will be proud to share with clients and clients will love, that's fast loading, and just really a seamless experience, you guys can head to squarespace.com and start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new website, which will be ready to launch in literally a weekend because it's that easy to set up, you guys can head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain. The link is down below in the description box. It's not an affiliate code. I don't make money from that code. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for even more free photography tutorials and resources on a weekly basis. You guys subscribing takes literally 30 seconds, and it might seem really small to you, but this is a way that I'm able to continue to create free photography tutorials on a weekly basis for you and your business. I make these for you because I believe in you and your business, but please do a little favor for me and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're feeling extra generous, leave a comment, even something quick that might take you 30 seconds. Opens up a lot of opportunities for me teaching on YouTube. Okay, so I'm here with the most amazing couple on earth.
Hi guys, my name is Sola.
My name is Sam.
We're wedding photographers based in Seattle, Washington.
Yeah.
We met in college at University of Washington. We're both studying music, and now we both pursue photography and videography.
I actually photographed them when they were in town in New York last year, but we hung out afterwards and I learned so much from you guys about like backup systems. They're so amazing and so generous, and I'm so excited for this shoot because you guys are incredible and they're so cute together and they have like French bulldog. It's gonna be such a good session. Stop! Oh my god, are you kidding? So I'm gonna just kind of turn this in a little bit.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, cute.
It's a manual grind.
Right.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Are you kidding me right now?
I'm good.
Okay, how about like, wow, you guys are fancy. How it's gonna be like a French press.
You don't spill it on yourself. You're gonna get a second-degree burn.
I'll have you guys like hold the mug up a tiny bit higher, Sam. Yeah, okay, cute. And then just like
hold it with one hand.
And then maybe do a little cheers-a-roo for us. Cheers. And then big smiles like tee. This is so cheesy but so yes! Oh my gosh! I can see the comments now. They're freaking the heck out about how cute y'all are. Yes! Oh, you have got to be kidding right now. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, are you kidding? Like, are you joking with me? Oh my gosh, okay, let me just get the focus. Beautiful, and then, so let's kind of turn your head out towards me. Yeah. Okay, cute, cute, cute.
Why are you trying?
This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do another little video. Cute. So cute. Are you kidding? Look at how cute you guys are. Like this? Are you kidding? You guys are so cute. Oh my gosh.
I like that.
I'll have you stand like right here. Yeah. Okay, cute. Cute. Oh my gosh. Cute, 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 cute. Yes! Are you seeing this? They're so good. Beautiful.
Hey,
Hi, baby.
Perfect. Beautiful. Let's do, Sola, what if you like hop on the counter and then Sam just move in a tiny bit closer. Yes, perfect. Perfect. So cute. Okay, now Sam, whisper something really funny in her ear and then Sola look at me and act like I was the one who made the joke. Cute. Oh my gosh, cute. Yes. Perfect. So good. I'm gonna fix your hair, Sola, so that I see it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Slowly.
Beautiful. Wait, let's get this one off, please. Okay, perfect.
What's happening?
Beautiful, you guys. Amazing. Cute. Oh my gosh.
Does
Okay.
the fruit basket show?
Actually, yeah, it shows it in just a tiny.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay. Can I flip her collar to show the
Oh yeah. Where is it? Sweetie, you're such a good girl.
Cute. Oh my gosh. Cute. Maybe kind of crouch all the way down. Okay, perfect.
My rip my pants.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Baby,
Yeah.
come here.
Oh, you wanna get?
Sydney. Bring her. Sit. Okay, cute. Oh my gosh, stop. But don't stop because your guys are so cute. Cute. And then look up at me and laugh. So cute. Oh my gosh, yes. So perfect. Yes. Oh, you have got to be kidding me right now. Okay, beautiful, cute, cute, cute. See? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And then give her a big kiss.
Good job.
Cute. So perfect. Oh my gosh, and your cheekbones, Sola, yes. Yes, cute. Sydney. Sydney. Good girl. Oh my gosh, good girl. Sydney, I'm gonna have you go. Oh.
Sorry.
Aww.
So cute.
What's up?
Okay, I want her to go hop on over with you guys. Come on here. Even though I would love you to.
Yeah, baby.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay.
Ah.
So cute.
You wanna just hold her then?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys. I'm dying.
Baby sit.
Sandy, sit. Come on. Eat the guitar. Eat
Cute. Oh.
the guitar.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Zippy is so, oh my gosh,
I know.
on the foot. So cute.
She's adorable.
What if I flip and then you stunned it?
Oh my gosh. Stop. Oh, so freaking cute.
All the
I know the floor chords.
Stop. Wait, but continue though. 'Cause y'all
Is
are
my
so
hair
cute.
okay?
Yes, your hair is really good. It's pretty. Perfect, perfect. Beautiful. And then look at each other. Beautiful. Put your foreheads. Yes, perfect, perfect. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, cute, cute, cute. Now give her a big squeeze, like really cuddly, super cute. Yes, cute. And then so I'm just gonna bring your hair back. Just, oh, sorry. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my gosh, cute. Oh, so cute. Cute. Sydney. Sydney. Good girl. Her ears. Cute. And then, oh yeah, how about I'll have you both look at me, and actually it scoops Sydney up even closer. And this will be like that Facebook mom photo that everyone, you know what I mean? Everyone wants to see. Sydney, oh, cute. Okay, perfect. Cute. And then let's do, Sam will have you give Sola like a tickle. Cute. So cute.
Not even ticklish.
Beautiful, you guys. With these kind of like candid ones, this is my little tip. You kind of just want to be like shooting, even if you feel like you've been having your couple in the same pose for a minute, or like there's not a lot of variety. You have to just take a ton, because with these you're going to be able to like shoot maybe 20 and then like 2 of the 20 work out, just because there's so many different elements within it. So whenever you're getting these kind of candid shots, don't be afraid to really like overshoot. Cute. Sydney! Her in the little background. Sit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you got some inspiration. I really encourage you guys to set up your own in-home lifestyle sessions and leverage it to market to new clients, especially during the more slow winter months. Be sure to subscribe for more photography videos, tips, and tricks on a weekly basis. It blesses my YouTube channel so much, and it enables me to be able to bring you more free videos. And if you want daily tips and tricks, go find me on Instagram. That's where I'm able to give you resources on a daily basis. I love doing Instagram live Q&As and answering your specific photography questions over there and in my DMs. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.